Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is HP Deskjet Plus 4100 series. What I want to do is to show you how to print documents from your mobile phone to this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected to the same network. Then go to my files, select documents, then scroll down and look for the documents that you want to print out. Select the document. This is the document that you want to print out, 2 pages document. Gently tap on the screen, select the 3 dots, then select print. You will see this app. Scroll down, select how many copies, portrait, orientation, and color. You want to print this colored, and also print on one side is off. Then you select print. The tray is empty, so we need to load the tray. Then select continue. This is the document we printed out. The second page is coming. This is the second page. So it's printing alignment. If you load ink cartridges freshly, sometimes it will ask you to print alignment. So what it's doing now is printing alignment. Now take this document and stick it on top of this and select copy. Then you take off the document. So this is how to print document from this printer and also complete alignment here. Another way to print document from mobile phone to this printer is using HP Smart app. Open up HP Smart app. This is HP app. And to print documents from this printer, you need to go to the settings. This is HP Smart app. To print document, then you need to select the printer. If you select the printer, then you need to scroll up, go to the documents. So you select the printer image, then go up, scroll up, then go to print documents, select print documents, then you select PDF or photo, PDF. Then you go to your file to select the particular document that you want to print. Select on the document, 2 pages document, select print preview, then scroll down. We want to print this black and white, then select print. This is documents we printed out. So these are ways to print documents from your mobile phone to this printer and also complete alignment. Thank you very much indeed.